I seen a bunch of green prints on the timing sales out the corner of my eye. And look, as soon as you start seeing green prints, they hit you with the red. It's not Christmas time. I don't want to be seeing a bunch of green and red. I want to see one or the other. All right, so the SPY broke above the 9 and the 10, and the new candle like opened exactly level with the previous candle, like rejecting off that level, the 370.80. That's the level right now that the SPY is right up underneath, trying to break through the 370.80. And now it's bouncing. It's over the 9. It's bouncing off the 10 SMA and trying to push through that level, 370.80. The Qs are basically doing the same thing, except the Qs aren't back up to that level that I drew out earlier that it needed to break above the chop. Right here. See that level? It's bouncing off the 9, trying to take the 10 SMA. The SPY has taken the 9 and the 10 and is claiming that level with higher lows consecutively for 3 candles straight on the 5 minute. So 15 minutes. As you would expect, same thing on Apple. Higher lows consecutively reclaimed the 9, the 10, the 120, and that level. And now it's trying to go ahead and reclaim VWAP. Now, if Apple can reclaim VWAP and get a little volume to come in, we might be able to actually see some price action. Price action that's worth being in the markets for. Apple couldn't quite get up to VWAP. Little wick up there. The wick didn't even get up to VWAP. But it hasn't given back that level. Hasn't given back the 120 or the 9. And it's basically trying to hold on my short-term 10 SMA. I thought I seen the tape starting to move with a little speed there, a little velocity. What level is this? Because, I mean, AMD's having some trouble here. Look at all these wicks. Look. 57.50. I mean, yeah, nice round number. So that's why we're seeing all this resistance here. And it's having trouble getting up there because every time it bounces up, they're selling into it. And now I'm seeing a bearish pattern try to come in to the big boys, the SPY, the Qs, and Apple. So we just put in a lower low on each, but could that be a healthy pullback? Whoa. Well, what'd you know? Look at that. That thing bounced up and like they just sold into it, bro. Like, look at that. Look how far it bounced up. All the way from like here all the way up to 57.60s. Look how long this wick is. Like, what the hell? Like, what level is that? 57.60. Like, strength came in. That thing freaking act like it was a T minus on the launch pad. You seen that? Look again. Now the wick's on the bottom though. So like the buyers are definitely on site now. So the sellers are gonna have to. They got their work cut out for them if they want to keep this thing down. Because you seen that? Look, increasing volume. Look, 113, 153, 173. And it's like it just came in like out of nowhere. Like, see? Like, the buyers are on deck. But do they have enough power? The hell, bro? Did you see that price action? The green prints, then red prints. Green prints, green and white prints, then red prints. Bro, this ain't Christmas. Red prints. Red prints. Alright. Like, it's just chop, bro. This shit just finna chop around for a little bit. The SPY rejected off that low, nice wick. It broke down the 10 SMA. And it's barely holding on to the 9 EMA. The Qs broke down the 10 and the 9. It's looking pretty bearish. Look, that little trend cracked. But I mean, like, you can't really get a trend line off a 1 minute chart anyways. Damn. And a bunch of red prints. You know you want it. Come and get it. If I got it, you can get it. Hey, hey, hey. Can I get my thrills, 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 thrills? Come on, man. Let me get some thrills, man. Can I get my thrills? Like, at this point, I don't even care, bro. Like, bro, pick a direction, down or up. Like, I don't care, bro. I just want to see some action. I'm green on the day, bro. Like, I'm curious to see, like, what's going to happen, too. You feel me? Like, do we eventually reverse trend and get back up and go red to green? I feel like we eventually will. But how long is it going to take? Like, is it going to take all the way to power hour? Tape was picking up some speed there. I don't know if you guys would be able to see that, but like my freaking monitor, my main monitor, and my monitor here on the right side, where I have all my charts open that I'm watching, like just like glitched. But my other, like my big monitor here on the left, my flat screen didn't. Come on, show me some price action. Oh my God. Look, it did it again. You know what I noticed with this platform? It seems like a lot of times whenever it glitches like that, a big move is coming. A big move is coming. I think it's just, I mean, I know it's not my internet. It's not my data connection because I have gig speed and I'm wired. I'm hardwired Ethernet. I know it's not my computer or hardware related because I have a gaming computer. The SPY, Qs, and Apple, like, have been putting in a bullish looking pattern though. Higher lows. I guess consolidation, then a higher low, then a higher low, getting up to VWAP. Last candle actually bounced up to VWAP and rejected. Same thing on the Qs. Same thing on the SPY. Same thing on NVIDIA, except NVIDIA has been consistently putting in higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, while crossing over the 9 EMA, my short-term directional, and red to green. Just went red to green, and now we're trying to bounce. I see a little wick on the bottom at the red to green line, which tells me that NVIDIA is trying to bounce and go red to green, but can it? It's right on that red to green line. This market needs to figure out what it wants to do with its life. But again, like I said, I was going to ride out until this recording got to an hour. I'm at an hour and 1 minute. I got to go ahead and cut it. Position is green. Oh, this keep playing. All right. I've seen a bunch of green and white prints. Look, we're over the 9. Look, trying to get up there to the 120, bro. Do something. All right, green and white prints. Notice the glitch. Remember what I said? Whenever it glitches, it means a big move's coming. Let's see if it holds true again.